Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are celebrating St. Martin. Now, if you aren't familiar with St. Martin in Germany, then let me explain. St. Martin, or St. Martin, was a saint back in the day, and the children celebrate this by making their own lanterns out of paper, and they sing St. Martin songs, and they get candy for it. It's just kind of a strange tradition, but I think it's kind of cute. So today we are celebrating St. Martin by making a lantern cake, similar to the ones that your preschoolers would make. So let's get started.
This is a mini cake. I have 3 layers of 4-inch round funfetti cake and Swiss meringue buttercream. Then I carved the cake to be square, and I tapered the top to look kind of like a roof. And I cleaned up the crumbs. Then I spent some time frosting the cake. And I smoothed it with a bench scraper. And I frosted it again. If you like what you see, hit the like button. And while you're down there, hit subscribe for a new cake video every week. Then I got some yellow fondant and mixed it with a bit of orange. Then I rolled it out and cut one edge to be straight. Then I wrapped it around the mini cake, and I smoothed the bottom with the blade of the knife and cut the excess at the top of the flat part of the cake before it starts to taper. Then I rolled out some black fondant. And covered the top of the cake with it. I smoothed it down with my hands and cut it to be flush with the yellow fondant. I fussed with the edges a bit. Then I rolled out a snake of black fondant. And a cake with edible glue. Then I rolled out another snake of black fondant and flattened it a bit with a fondant smoother. I cut the strips to be even. I measured the length I needed and cut them to be just longer than I thought I would need. Then I cut each end at a 45-degree angle. I pressed them laying flat against the cake where the black fondant meets the yellow. I trimmed it when necessary. Next, another snake of black fondant. I cut the lengths to be close to the size I needed. And glued them at each edge. Then I rolled some of the snake into a circle and glued it onto the top of the lantern. Then I used a fondant press mold to make some stars out of black fondant. And I glued some stars on each edge of the cake. And used some circle cutters to cut out a moon shape. One of the most popular St. Martin songs mentions sun, moon, and stars, so these are common patterns on the lanterns. I love how this little lantern turned out. It's just so sweet. Laterne, Laterne, Sonne, Mond und Sterne. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram.